Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious smoothie. Oh yes, it's very delicious. That can be taken before or after workout. The ingredients in this smoothie will help you lose belly fat and speed up your weight loss process, or help you to live a healthy life, which we all want. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button as well to get new video uploads from me. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. And this recipe is actually from a certified nutritionist at Hot Healthies. Her page is on Instagram. I'm going to put a link of her page on this video so that you can go to her page and check out all the healthy recipes she has there for weight loss, to boost your immune system. She has loads and loads of them. And please, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support. And remember, CHIKA loves you. Take care. Bye.